T-minus 120 seconds till taste bud overload.
Hello everyone, we are the Berkmar Taco Nauts representing Berkmar High School.
I'm KB, your team cook, aka the mission specialist.
I'm Nina, the chef, aka the pilot.
I'm Darius, the sous chef, aka the flight engineer.
And I'm Kathy, your team manager, aka mission commander. Today we are excited to share with you our NASA HUNCH program dish, the Solar Flare Tinga Taco.
So what actually happens to the body of microgravity? Microgravity makes astronauts float, but it also causes major physiological changes that affect almost every system in the body.
One big change is muscle atrophy. The heart and other muscles don't work as hard, so they weaken. That's why our Chicken Tinga is built around lean, high-quality protein, which helps maintain muscle mass.
T-minus 90
Astronauts also lose bone
taste
density,
bud
so they need more calcium and vitamin D. But this isn't the only problem they face. Microgravity pushes fluids to the head, making their face look puffy and their legs look thinner. This is why we add 1 teaspoon of queso fresco to each taco to promote calcium and vitamin D intake without overpowering the flavors.
That upward fluid shift also dulls astronauts' sense of smell and taste. Astronauts often can't experience flavors normally, which is why they need bolder and spicier foods. This is also why our recipe uses smoky chipotle, fresh lime, and pickled onions. This whole project is a part of the NASA HUNCH program, which allows students like us to create real meals for astronauts.
And we're honored to submit our dish to the Johnson Space Center Food Lab, where professionals analyze, test, and potentially send recipes
T-minus
from outer space.
60
If our
seconds
dish is
until
meets their
taste
standards, it can be
bud
tested for
overload.
future space menus.
This is our entree, the Solar Flare Tinga Taco. It's inspired by bold South American flavors made with shredded chicken tinga, fresh guacamole, pickled onions, and a squeeze of lime.
We chose this dish because astronauts crave bold flavors in space. Tinga is smoky, citrusy, and spicy, exactly the kind of flavors astronauts need when their taste buds aren't working at full power. For me, this dish is special. This dish has always been a staple in my household. My family makes chicken tinga for celebrations, holidays, and just when we crave that taste of home. It feels like sending a piece of home up to the astronauts. I hope they enjoy this dish as much as I did growing up.
Liftoff will start in T-minus 10 seconds. 10.
Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed learning about microgravity, astronaut nutrition, and our Solar Flare Tinga Taco.
We are the Berkmar Taco Nauts, and we're ready for launch.
1. We have ignition.